Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss grammar rules and I will explain you the whole procedure. ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है जिसमें जो है ये हमें इक्वेशन 3 दी हुई हैं और 3 इक्वेशन से हमें इसे मैट्रिक्स में फॉर्म में करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे. देन वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ x, y and z by the Cramer's rule. So we will start here. Before start, subscribe to my channel, like and share to your friends. We write the formula here. First of all, x is equals to dx upon d. D is the determinant. Determinant of x. How we find this? I will explain you later. Y dy upon d z is equals to dz upon, we write the equation as follows in matrix form. Here we write the coefficient of these variables. Like x, the coefficient is 1. Y, the coefficient of y will be 1 also, and z is 1 also. Here coefficient of x is 1, y is -1 and z is 2. Likewise 3, 5, -7. Now this is our matrix. Now I write here x, y and z will be equal to these values: 8, 6, 14. Now we will find the determinant. D is equals to 1. How we will find here? Determinant of, right here, this one here. So we will hide this value. Likewise for first determinant, here 1, -1, 5, 2, -7. Now we will take this one. First of all, we write here minus. We can write here for the determinant plus positive term first, then minus, then positive. So there will be, our value is 1. So we write here 1, and determinant of, here we can hide the values of these. Then we write the values 1, 3, 2, -7. Then we take this value plus 1. After minus there will be plus 1. So we will hide this value like this. So we will write here 1, 3, -1, 5. Now we will find the determinant like this. -1 multiplied by -7 will be 7. 2 multiplied by 5, which will be, we subtract here minus. 2 5s are 10. -1, likewise 1, once -7, -7. 2 3s are 6, minus. plus 1. 1 5s are 5 minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus 3 minus minus plus. There will be minus 3 minus 1 multiplied by minus 13 plus 5 plus 3 will be 8. So we will get minus 3 plus 13 plus 8 will be 18. Now for dx, for determinant of x, we will write these values here. One minus 1 5. 1 2 minus 7. And here I write here these values. I replace these values by these three values, 8, 6 and 14. Now we will find here determinant by the same method, dx. Now I take this value, first of all 8. Now how write here? I hide these values here. 1 2 minus 1 2 5 minus 7 minus 1 6 14 2 minus 7. Now here is plus 1. So I will hide these values. 6 14 minus 1 5. The next step is 8 minus 1 multiplied by minus 7 will be 7. 2 5s are 10 minus 10 minus 1. 6 7s are 42 minus 42 minus 28 plus 6 5s are 30 minus minus plus 14. 8 minus 3 minus 70 plus 44. After calculation we will get 90. You can write it here. You can calculate this from your calculator. That will be our dx. And now for dy, how we write it here? Determinant so we write it here. One 3. Replace this value, I replace this value from this 8, 6, 14. Then 1, 2 minus 7 for dy. Now how we can find the determinant? The same procedure is here. We get the value 1. Now hide this value 6, 14, 2 minus 7. Now we will get 8 minus 8 determinant 1, 3, 2 minus 7. Now plus 1 determinant 1, 6, 3, 14. 1, 6, 7, 7s are minus 42 minus 28 minus 8 multiply by minus 7 minus 6 plus 1 multiply by 14 minus 18. From here we get 1 multiplied by 14 minus 3 6 are 18 minus 70 minus 8 multiplied by minus 13 plus 3 plus multiply by minus 14 minus 4. We will get the answer after calculation will be 30 dy. That is the value of dy. For dz, we will write the determinant of dz. Now we will skip the values of dz here and write the values 1, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 5, 8, 6, 14. I replace the value of z from here. Now we will find the determinant. We will take this value 1 and skip the row and column and take the determinant of minus 1, 5, 6 and 14. Next will be minus 1, which will be 1, 3, 6 and 14. And next is plus 8 determinant 1, 3 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 14 minus 6 5s are 30 minus 1, 1 14s are 14 minus 3 6 are 18 plus 8 1 5s are 5 minus plus 3 1s are 3. Minus 44 plus 4 plus 64. After calculation, we will get 24. That will be dz. Now we will find these values x, y, and z. So here for x is equals to dx upon d. If we have the value of d is 0, then we will stop the procedure after finding the determinant of the matrix and say that could not be found. So if there is the value of determinant is 0, then we will stop the procedure right here and do not find the any other values. But here we have determinant d is 18 and dx is 90 upon 18. So we have 5 y is equals to dx dy upon d, which will be 30 upon 18. We can write here 5 upon 3, and z will be dz upon d 24 upon 18, which also can write here 4 upon 3. Now we check these values whether they are correct or not by putting these values in any one equation. So for checking, we put the values in first equation, that is x plus y plus z is equals to 8. 5 plus 5 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3, that implies to 5 plus 9 upon 3, 15 plus 9 upon 3, and 24 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are, that is 8. This is also checked. Now we can say here 8 is equals to 8. This is checked now. That shows that these are the correct answer for the given equations by the Cramer's rule. If you like my video, then subscribe and like and share to your friends. Till then, bye bye.